In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a template in Gmail. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you sign in with the account where the templates are giving you trouble. When Gmail finishes loading, you should see your inbox with your usual folders on the left and your emails listed in the center. If you use multiple Gmail accounts, double-check the avatar in the top right so you do not accidentally adjust settings on the wrong account. Now that Gmail is open, click the settings icon near the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. When you click it, a quick settings panel opens on the right side of the screen. In that panel, look for the option that says See All Settings and click it. The main inbox view will fade to the background, and a full settings page will appear with several tabs across the top, such as General, Labels, and Inbox. This is where Gmail keeps all the controls that affect how your messages and templates behave. From there, look along the top row of tabs and open the Advanced tab. Click on the word Advanced. The page will switch to show a list of special features that can be turned on or off, such as canned responses and custom features. Each section usually has a short description on the left and radio buttons on the right. If you do not see an Advanced tab, you are probably in the wrong place, so check that the full settings page is open, not just the quick panel. On the Advanced tab, find the section labeled Templates. In some older help guides, this might be called canned responses, but in the settings, it shows as templates. In this row, choose the option that says Enable. When you click Enable, the radio button next to it fills in, and the description may highlight slightly. That tells you templates are now switched on, which allows you to create, save, and reuse email content directly from the Compose window. With templates enabled, scroll to the bottom of the Advanced Settings page and click the Save Changes button. After you click Save Changes, Gmail will briefly reload and return you to your inbox. You will not see a big pop-up, but the page refresh is your confirmation that the change was applied. Once Gmail finishes reloading, templates are active right away. The next time you compose an email, you will see the Templates option under the 3-More Options menu in the Compose window, and any existing templates tied to this account will work again. You have now turned on templates in Gmail and saved the settings so your email templates work properly again. If this helped you get your templates working, a quick thumbs up helps others fix theirs too, and feel free to subscribe for more Gmail tips.